So question 6, let's see what we got here. So it says find the distance from Q to R on the survey plot. So Q to R would be this distance right here. Now since this is angle P, Q to R, I'm going to just use side P for that. So notice that to find side P, we would have to know angle P. We don't know angle P. The only angle we know is Q goes with the 183.5. The 122 goes with R. So it looks like before we can find P, we had to find angle R. So what we have then is the sine of angle R. So the sine of R over 122 is going to equal then the sine of Q, which is the sine of 62 degrees over 183.5. So if we cross multiply, we got to multiply the 122 times the sine of 62. Get that answer, and then divide that by 183.5. So that's going to give us this 5.87. But remember, to find angle R, we got to do the inverse cosine of that. So the inverse sine of that, I should say. So the inverse sine of this answer is going to give me angle R. But notice how we still have to go 180 minus the 62 minus this angle here. That's going to give me my missing angle of 82.05 degrees. So that's going to be the angle for angle P. So angle P, we're going to be using basically the sine of that answer over side P. And we're going to have the sine of 62 over this 183.5. So if we do this math here, we should have this 183.5 times the sine of this angle here. So I'm going to copy and paste it in there. Get that answer. And then if we divide that by the sine of 65, that should give us our answer of 200.53. So side P is going to end up being 200.53 feet. Now, notice that angle P was around 82 degrees. So that was 82 degrees. This was right around 36 degrees. So notice that based on what we're seeing here, the P, side P should be the longest side since angle P was the biggest angle. So I'm feeling pretty good about that answer of 200.53 feet. So R is the smallest angle, the 122. 62 is the middle angle, 183. And then P was the 82, which gives them that. But notice how I didn't want to round, so I kept all my numbers on the calculator and just copied and pasted them.